I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the headset is powered and the dongle is in a stable USB port. Open Steelseries GG and Windows sound settings now. Select Arctis 7 as both default playback and recording devices. Once set, immediately mute or disable any other speaker outputs so audio can't loop back into the mic. Make sure Windows, listen to this device, is off. These steps prevent basic loops and prepare the headset for the precise adjustments that eliminate echo. Next, dive into Steelseries GG and reduce sidetone to 0. Sidetone is the main cause of perceived echo because it feeds your voice back to your ears. Then lower mic gain in small increments and test. Update headset firmware if available and restart the app afterward so settings apply. In your voice app, disable client-side mic monitoring and confirm the Arctis 7 is chosen as the input. These tweaks remove software-based feedback paths and stabilize your audio. Finish by rebooting both PC and headset so Windows reinitializes audio drivers. If you still hear echo, repair the dongle and try a different USB port to rule out RF or driver conflicts. Test the headset on another device or use a wired connection if possible. That separates hardware failures from software loops. One key troubleshooting tip: if echo persists only in calls, check other participants' audio or shared system audio. Echo can be caused by someone else's speakers feeding into the call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.